I'm Ahmed Salama. I'm the CTO for Microsoft Egypt. Okay, so I usually like to use data and AI because actually data is the prerequisite for AI. And why I'm saying this now, because with all the cloud transformation and all the digital transformation that we've seen over the past decade or more, most companies now, whether they're big enterprises or even small and medium companies, they're all relying heavily on applications. So they're actually capturing data every single day, every single hour, every single minute. So data is always feeding in their application and their system. So now it's really the right time to really leverage this data into AI. So now, again, leveraging all this data that has been captured over the past number of years, giving us a lot of insights, a lot of analytics that are really helping us to make more intelligent decisions into our business. And honestly, I don't think it's a luxury anymore or it's a nice to have thing anymore, because if a company decides to use AI and others in the same industry do not use AI, then automatically this company would have an edge over others. So I think in order to stay competitive, in order to stay always ahead of the curve, I think every company and every country needs to make sure that they're adopting AI to the maximum and getting the best out of it. Microsoft has been a partner for a company called OpenAI, and OpenAI is the company behind ChatGPT. So ChatGPT, of course, was created out of disruption in the market in a good way, and OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, actually they're hosting all their computational needs, etc., on Microsoft data centers. So we have a very close relationship with OpenAI. We're a big investor in OpenAI, and we're leveraging that technology even before others, because again of the very close relationship we have with them. And having said that, we're now including OpenAI, ChatGPT, and other OpenAI available services into our technology. And Microsoft has a very broad range of products. So we're into productivity, we're into, of course, operating system like Windows, we're into cybersecurity, business applications, and so many other domains. We came up with a new range of products called Copilot. And now Copilot, I love the name because it's not the pilot, so AI will never take my job, but it can help me do my job in a better way. It can like a smart assistant for me. So we're adding Copilot into the productivity suite that we have, like Windows, Office, like PowerPoint, Excel, Microsoft Teams, etc. So Copilot now is part of that. We're adding Copilot into business applications. We're adding Copilot into cybersecurity, which is a very sophisticated domain. Any technology can be exciting, but if you don't get a business value out of it, that probably is not really useful to us, or it doesn't mean much to us. So, and having said that, AI can have different applications. Some of them are horizontal applications, which can be common across all different companies in the market, such as increasing revenue, reducing cost, optimizing operations, processes, etc. So this can be a main application, or a common application across so many companies. And other applications are more vertical. And by vertical, I mean industry related. And actually, the use cases of AI need to be mapped to industry. So, for example, when it comes to banking, they can use AI in fraud detection, in anti-money laundering, etc., etc. If we go into the telco business, for example, they can use it in call centers because they have very large call centers with a lot of data, with a lot of information. So if you use AI in that context, to give these companies an edge over others. Even governments now are adopting AI in so many ways to give better services to their citizens, understand their citizens in the best way, in a better way, etc. Whenever any company decides to adopt AI, I think we need to make sure that we're adopting AI in a responsible way and ethical way. Because AI, like any other technology, it has to be regulated somehow. It has to have some guardrails to make sure that we're really using AI in the best way in order to get the best out of it for the business and for the society as well. So this is really, really important in any AI journey or any AI project. And let me also give you here some insight, is that when it comes to cybersecurity, this is a very hot topic, and actually most of the hackers that are actually putting my system at threat and can attack my system at any point in time, they're using AI. So if we're not responding with AI, then automatically they have an edge over us.